Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy custard. It's really simple and you don't need any double cream to make it thick and creamy. I'm going to show you my secret to make it that extra yellow without needing to add any food colouring, and it tastes amazing. So let's begin.
So get your pan on the stove, but don't switch it on, and
crack in your eggs. Into our eggs, we're going to add in some corn flour.
The corn flour will make our custard nice and thick, so don't skimp on it.
Sugar in there.
With our ingredients added in, mix it using a whisk.
Just find my whisk. Yeah, this will do. So we want to whisk it and see it's all nice and incorporated and it's smooth. It's key that you have no lumps and the corn flour has been mixed into your egg.
Add 500 ml of milk to your pan, and to make your life easier, just pop a weighing scale underneath to save on washing up.
Get it on the stove.
As your custard heats up, you want to whisk it continuously until it thickens up. To get into the corners of your pan, you can use a spoon to make sure it doesn't stick there. The trick here is just to keep whisking it, and I'm sure you've noticed that your custard will look a little bit anemic, so I've got a trick which will help it look a lot more yellow.
So I've taken it off the heat. And I want to add in a little bit, can you see? A little bit of turmeric to make it yellow. Don't want to add too much because you don't want the flavour of it.
And that's pretty much it. The turmeric will make our custard look nice and yellow, and I guarantee you won't taste it if you only add a tiny bit. I'm a sucker for vanilla, I love it, so I add in lashings of it at the end because I just feel that you taste it that little bit more. You don't need to use anything expensive like a vanilla pod. The cheap stuff will do. For me, it does the job. When it's ready, just pour it into a bowl or jug, and then to store it, just pop it in the fridge and make sure to cover it with some cling film. The cling film will stop skin forming on the custard and keep it nice and fresh. It will keep in the fridge for 2 to 4 days. When you are ready to have it, just reheat it on the stove and you can have it over some nice apple pie. Speaking of, I have a really quick and easy recipe for apple pie. If you fancy it, it's buttery, it's flaky, and it's perfect for beginners. Give it a go. Now, just one more thing.
That's it for today. Hopefully if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up or comment. I would really appreciate it. I'm actually starting to think it's getting colder. I want to do more winter desserts. If you have any suggestions, please do let me know. I'll take a look and see if I can make it. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you later, which in Spanish is hasta luego. Hasta luego. Anyway, I don't want to keep you. I'll see you later. Bye.